Good morning, my friends. So, Wednesday is a very special day. It is Earth Day. So, I always like to say, make Earth Day every day. So, all this week, we're going to be learning about different parts of Earth Day. So, the book I'm going to read today is called Take Care of the Earth Every Day. The earth is our home. The earth belongs to us. It is where we live, play, and learn. It is our home. We need to take good care of the earth. Air pollution. Some things pollute the earth. Most cars run on gas. Using gas pollutes the air. Hybrid cars run on electricity and gas. This is better for the earth. Let's do it! Walk or ride your bike. It is not bad for air at all. Recycle. We can recycle to help care for the earth. This uses old items to make new ones. Bottles and jars can be made into new things. It makes less trash. Less trash means less pollution. Keep Earth clean. Trash can pollute our water. Then it's not safe to drink. We can help clean up litter. This will help keep our water clean. Let's do it. Always put your trash in a bin. Pick up trash you see. And I know that you guys know about this because we always do a wonderful job picking up trash in our kindergarten playground. And I love it when you do that. Don't waste food. Food comes from the earth. We must not waste it. Wasted food becomes trash. Always eat what's on your plate, but only take what you need. Care for animals and plants. Animals and plants live here too. Care for all living things. It is part of taking care of the earth. Let's do it! Many animals make their homes in trees, but trees are often cut down. Make a birdhouse. This gives birds a safe place. You guys all know how important nature is to me. Work together. Some animals are endangered. They need our help. Join a club that helps animals. Help save their habitat or home. Plant a tree. This is really cool if you can do this where you live. Plant a tree to help the earth. Plants and trees can be a home for many animals. They also help clean the air. So how that works. Plants use up a gas called carbon dioxide. Then they put oxygen back in the air. We need this to breathe, and so do animals. So this picture right here is showing you how that happens. So plants, they absorb carbon dioxide, and then they produce oxygen. And we need oxygen to breathe. Very important. Earth Day! Earth Day is April 22nd every year. Join in, get a group together, pick up litter, plant trees, have fun taking care of the earth together. Now, if we were in school, we'd definitely be doing stuff, but we do have to stay at home. So there are things you can do with your family. You can always make sure that all of your trash goes in the trash and you recycle. Maybe if you have a yard, you can plant some trees or plant other plants. And remember, there is only one earth. We can all help keep it clean. How do you take care of the earth? So get started today. These are things we can do. We can all do this. Walk or ride our bike. Recycle items you use. Do not litter. No litter bugs. Pick up trash when others litter. Make a birdhouse. Plant a tree. And then this is it, the end. So what I want you to do is you are going to press the camera and I want you to tell me something you do to help the earth. Now, it can be something you do at home. It can be something we did at school because I know you guys all have done a lot to help the earth at school. So I cannot wait to hear your responses and have a wonderful day.